Mom, you ready? We're going. Tiana, I mean it. I'll take all your toys off you if you do what you were doing before. Jordan's going to babysit, baby yourself. All your toys will go. Jordan, I've spoken to her, she's going to be good. I've said I'll take all the toys off her. Tiana, you listening? We've got to go now, me and Mum. Jordan's going to look after you. Don't be crazy like last time. Please. She'll be fine.
I don't trust her.
She'll be fine. Look, Jordan, if she loses all them toys, you know she's not going to want that. She's promised.
I want that.
Well, you'll be good.
Bye.
If there's any trouble.
Okay.
Oh.